If you want to make more money in Uber Eats, optimizing your deliveries is the way to go. Start by working during peak hours, lunch and dinner rush hour when the best orders come in. More demand usually means better payouts and tips. Stick to zones that are packed with restaurants and close to busy neighborhoods. Less driving or biking between pickups and drop offs mean you complete more orders faster. Use multiple apps if possible. Running Uber Eats alongside DoorDash or Grubhub can help you stay busy instead of waiting for your next ping. Only accept orders that make sense. A short trip with a good tip is better than a long one that barely pays. So know which restaurants are quick and avoid those that always make you wait. So have your gear ready, insulated bag, phone mount, portable charger, whatever helps you stay efficient and professional. That saves time and boosts your rating. Good reviews and high ratings can also lead to more priority orders. Stay polite, deliver quickly, and follow drop off instructions carefully. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more delivery hacks, and drop a comment on how you make the most out of your time on the road.